Hi, I'm Nico Moretti from Perth, West Australia. Welcome to my kitchen. I've been a Thermomix consultant and part of the Thermomix family for almost 20 years here as one of the first owners of a Thermomix. For me, celebration dishes are all about being surrounded by family and friends and having a dish that needs an audience, so something that you have to reveal, and that's what this dish is about. It is called Timpano di Nonna Stella. It's a celebration not only of my mum, Stella, who would make us pasta al forno, element of this dish, but it's also a dish that I remember seeing in an incredible foodie movie called The Big Night. And ultimately, it's the reveal of this incredible baked pasta dish. So now that those onions are high temperature sauteed, they're smelling fantastic, we just need to crush up some tomatoes. And a great tip I give is to use whole peel tomatoes, because we can crush them in the Thermomix, but you only want to crush them gently at speed 4 for about 10 seconds to keep that beautiful red, vibrant tomato color. So this element of the dish is the slow-cooked Italian meat ragu. We've used the blade cover to allow us to cook this so the meat is just meltingly soft off the bone. And that can be done the day beforehand. Egg boiler mode for hard-boiled eggs, and we'll be back in about 19 minutes. So now that we've portioned off all of that polpettine mix into 1 teaspoon quantities, just grease your hand a little bit with some olive oil, and we just want to form these into the perfect little polpettine. My mother would do this, and it is an absolute labor of love, and it's all about celebration. So you want to put into it everything that you've got to share with your family and friends. So making pasta is super easy. Eggs, flour, oil, and salt in there. We're just going to mix this up. So our Dutch oven's now been lined with that big pasta sheet, and now all of our elements are done, and we just have to assemble it. And as I say, most of these elements can be done the day beforehand, so you can put it all together. So there you have it, my celebration dish, Timpano di Nonna Stella, an absolute passion project and labor of love, but your friends and family are going to love you for it. Download the recipe, give it a go, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.